Hey guys, thank you so much. I hit 1,000 subscribers a couple months ago. I was so excited that actually I started to cry. It was because when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't really know how much it would just touch my heart just to share the information and just share the content with the world. Not just here in Michigan where I live, but the world. But my goal is to add value. I want to add value to you, to your life. I want to help you. I don't want to do anything else but share value, give you content. I want to be able to help you before you make a mistake buying your car, or help the next person buying a car, help your friend, your neighbor, just help anybody buying a car. So I just need you to do me this huge favor. Is there anything that you want me to talk about a vehicle, credit repair, buying a car, anything? I want to help you. So do me a favor, drop me a line under the video by saying, hey, I want you to talk about this, I want you to share this information, because I want to give back to you. I want to share content with you. So let's do it. Let's do it together. Let's work together. Let's work with the Queen.